Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Yemi Shonde. I'm elated, delighted to be here this morning. I say good morning to my people at home, my fathers, my mothers, my brothers and sisters at home, and my friends. I say good to be here once again to talk to ourselves and discuss on the plans to move our state forward. Wọ́n ní pé ẹni tí kò kíni kú lé ó pàdánù ẹ káàbọ̀. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi ní ilé, ẹ̀yin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ẹ̀yin ọ̀rẹ́ mi àti ẹ̀yin àbúrò mi pé a kú ojúmọ́ ire o ní ẹ kú lé. Mo tún ti dé bí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí gẹ́gẹ́ bí ṣe wà láti bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ bí ọ̀rọ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ wa, ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́, bí a ó ṣe sún síwájú láti ìpele tí a wà yìí sí ìpele tí ó kàn ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́.
Láti ìpele tí a wà yìí sí ìpele tó kàn. Èyí tẹ́ sọ̀gbẹ̀ yẹn ibẹ̀ ni màá ti mú ọ̀rọ̀. Yorùbá sì ni màá fẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ máa sọ kán lè gbọ́ wa yékéyéké dáadáa. Láti ìpele tí a wà yìí sí ìpele tó kàn. Ìpele tí a wà yìí lójú yín ìpele wo ni? Ìpele tó kàn lọ́dọ̀ yín ìpele wo ni?
Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa sọ wípé ẹnìkan ló máa la ọ̀nà tí gbogbo wa máa tọ ọ̀nà yẹn. Ìpele tí a wà yìí ó ní ìpìlẹ̀ lórí fún ìjọba mẹ̀kúnnù, ìjọba àwarawa, ìjọba tí ó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ọmọ bíbí àti olùgbé ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ wọ́n ṣe jẹ àǹfààní ìjọba àwarawa, the benefits of democracy. Ìpìlẹ̀ rere ó ní gómìnà Isiaq Abiola Ajimobi wọ́n jẹ́ aṣáájú ẹgbẹ́ wa, wọ́n jẹ́ bàbá wa tó ti fi lélẹ̀ láti ìgbà tó ti wọlé sí ìjọba ní nǹkan bí ọdún 7 àbọ̀ sẹ́yìn tó ń ṣe ọdún kẹjọ lọ yìí. Gbogbo wa la rí wípé oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀ka iṣẹ́ ìjọba òun ni gómìnà ti fi ọwọ́ kàn, tó lè ti fi ìpìlẹ̀ foundation lélẹ̀ tó fi ààyè tó ti fi àǹfààní fún ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn wọn láti máa lè múlò àti láti kọ́ ilé lé lórí. Gbogbo àwọn pé tí wọ́n bá ń kọ́ ilé bí mo ṣe sọ nígbà tí mo wá bí kẹ́yìn wípé foundation yìí tó jẹ́ ìpìlẹ̀ òun ló máa ń le jù. Pàápàá tó bá jẹ́ ilẹ̀ olómi, irin, kankéré, gbogbo ẹ̀ lámọ̀dé sí. A lè máa ṣe lóṣù 3, oṣù 4, oṣù 9 tí ò ní yọ. Káwọn ènìyàn ní ojú ẹ̀gbẹ́ pé kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe ní ibẹ̀ yẹn torí òun ló le jù. Ṣùgbọ́n tí a bá fi ṣe àṣeyọrí wípé a gbé ilé kíkọ́ náà, a gbé tó ń pè ní ìpìlẹ̀ tó ń pè ní German floor àbí DPC, kò sí bíríkìlà kankan torí ẹ̀ bá pé tí wọ́n fi sí orí DPC tí kò ní máa mọ block pẹ̀lú ìyára. Láàrin oṣù kan, oṣù méjì wọ́n ti gbé ilé náà dé ibi tí ó lápẹẹrẹ. So ibi tí ọ̀gá wa ti gbé dé yìí ó ní pé wọ́n ti fi ìpìlẹ̀ lélẹ̀ rẹ̀. Ní àkọ́kọ́ ètò ààbò ìlú, security, àrùn ojú ni tí kì í ṣe
mo fẹ́ ní kẹ́ máa dárúkọ àwọn
gbogbo wa la mọ̀ bí Ọ̀yọ́, bí ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ṣe rí kí Ajímọ̀bí ó tó gorí àlééfà ìjọba. Kò sẹ́ni tó máa ń fi ojú méjèèjì tó máa ń di ojú méjèèjì tó bá sùn. Àjèjì tó bá fẹ́ wọ̀lú gan ó máa dọ́gbọ́n wọ̀lú lò torí jàgídíjàgan bó bá ọpá bó bá ń bu lẹ́sẹ̀ ọmọ gànfẹ́ lókun gbòòrò. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tó ti débẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan ti ń lọ ní ìrọ̀wọ́rọ̀sẹ̀. Wọn ò lọ ja báńkì kan lólè, wọn ò lọ kólé ẹnì kankan dàbí alára. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ pa ara wọn, so kò sí tó ń jẹ́ crime gbòógì láti ìgbà tó ti dé ìjọba.
èèyàn ń sùn
wọ́n wà láàfíà,
wọ́n ń dijú.
wọ́n ń sùn, wọ́n ń dijú méjèèjì, wọ́n ń rọrùn, wọ́n ń lálàá. Àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Tí a bá wo ètò nǹkan amúlùúdẹrùn gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn nǹkan tá a nílò láti gbé ìgbé ayé rere, láti orí báwo la ṣe ń rìn láti ibì kan sí ìkejì, ètò ọ̀nà ṣíṣe. Láti bàtà tí ń ṣèjọba àwarawa ní ọdún 19 sẹ́yìn, a ò tí ì rí ìlú gómìnà tó ṣe irú ọ̀nà tí wọ́n ṣe yìí, both in quality and in size or length of the road. Ogun tí a máa rí nínú yìí pátápátá, irú ọ̀nà yẹn pátá ló ná ṣe. Ní ẹ̀ka ètò ẹ̀kọ́, gómìnà ti fi ìpìlẹ̀ rere lélẹ̀ tí àwa lè kọ́lé lórí, torí wípé wọ́n ti introduce tó ń jẹ́ school governing council. Ìyẹn tó jẹ́ pé ètò ẹ̀kọ́ kò ṣeé fi sílẹ̀ fún ìjọba nìkan, àti ìjọba àti aráàlú àti òbí alágbàtọ́ àti àwọn tó ti kúrò ní iléèwé sẹ́yìn ni wọ́n á pawọ́pọ̀ lọ mójútó iléèwé kọ̀ọ̀kan. Láti ìgbà tí eléyìí ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, a ti rí oríṣiríṣi ìyàtọ̀ nínú ipò tí àwọn iléèwé wa wà. Èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan jẹ́ àpẹẹrẹ, jẹ́ pé Lágelú Grammar School, èmi ni alága ìgbìmọ̀ tó mójútó iléèwé náà. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe wà káàkiri gbogbo school, especially secondary schools nìyẹn. Loyola ni o, Loyola College, Government College Ìbàdàn, St. Patrick's Ìbàdàn Grammar School, Boys High School, St. Louis, St. Teresa's, St. Tom. Wọ́n ṣe dá sílẹ̀ nìkan kan nìyẹn. Jẹ́ pé olúkàlùkù ló tẹ̀ ń ṣe èyí tó ìwọ̀nba tó lè ṣe láti mú àwọn iléèwé náà gbòòrò sí i. Tẹ́ bá dé Lágelú lè ní ẹ ò lè dá wọn mọ̀, ó dàbí iléèwé aládàáni. Eléyìí jẹ́ títí ń fi ara hàn nínú result ìdánwò táwọn ọmọ iléèwé tó ń ṣe.
Ìyẹn Lágelú Grammar School.
Gbogbo school kò ń ṣe Lágelú nìkan. Last èsì ìdánwò tó jáde kàn yìí láti ní èsì which is result tó dáa jù in the last 18 years.
Oh, really?
Yes. Nínú ọdún 18 sẹ́yìn, èsì ìdánwò yìí òun ló dáa jù. Ìyẹn fi hàn pé ètò ìjọba lórí ẹ̀kọ́ ó ń so èso rere. Tá bá tí wọ́n sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ìlera, wọ́n ti ṣe dúdú méje, wọ́n ti ṣe yàyà 6. Ètò iṣẹ́ ọ̀gbìn tí ó máa jẹ́ kí oúnjẹ kó pọ̀ yàtọ̀, ìjọba náà ti ṣe 10 nínú ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n kò ń ṣe nǹkan tí ẹnìkan lè ṣe tán lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Olúkàlùkù ló ní ipa tí ó máa kó nínú ìṣèjọba. Ọ̀gá ti wá, wọ́n ti ṣe tiwọn. And I believe he has come, he has seen, and he has conquered. Àsìkò tó láti gbé ìjọba fún ẹni tí wọ́n lérò wípé ó lè gbé ga jù bí tí ó wà lọ. Àdúrà gbogbo bàbá sí ọmọ ní pé kí ọmọ wa kó tó wa, kó jù wá lọ. Ìdùnnú bàbá ṣe ni pé tí ó bá wà láyé tó wà láyé tó rí ọmọ ẹ̀ tó ń ga jù ipò tó ń wà lọ, inú ẹ̀ máa dùn. Ìdí nìyí tí yẹ pé gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ All Progressives Congress Party APC lábẹ́ alága wa bàbá ọmọ kéékèèké, bàbá dáadáa, bàbá Akínọ̀kẹ́ àti olórí wa káfàtà ní gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́, gómìnà Ishaq Abiola Ajimobi àti gbogbo ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ pátápátá tó ti so ọwọ́ pọ̀ pé ẹni tí a rò wípé ó ka ojú òṣùwọ̀n tó ṣe fi iṣẹ́ ogun rán òní Adébáyọ̀ Abdulwahid ọmọ Adélábù Pẹ̀kẹ́lẹ́mẹ́sì. Mo dẹ̀ gbàgbọ́ pé wọn ò sí àṣìṣe, torí a máa jẹ iṣẹ́ náà kọjá ibi tán ní ti dáadáa.
Ní ti dáadáa.
Lágbára Ọlọ́run.
So ìpele yẹn wọ́n ti fi lélọ̀ ẹ̀, ó tẹ́ yín lọ́rùn, ẹ wá fẹ́ gbé lọ sí next level.
Lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Next level yẹn lẹ́wàá gbé wa lọ báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ń dákẹ́ fún ìdánudó díẹ̀. Tá a bá ti dé láti ibi ìdánudó yẹn, á wà bẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí next level padà. Next level ìpele tó kàn nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́. Ibi tá a bá dé yìí, ẹni ìpele tó kàn ní kíni àti kíni àti kékeré àwọn ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ gbogbo agbègbè àti àwọn tí wọ́n sọ nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ láti ìlú òkèèrè kan wọ́n fẹ́ gbọ́ ìpele wo lẹ́nu kọ̀ọ̀kan.
ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́ kí n tó bọ́ sí abala tí màá ti máa yànnàná ìpele tí ó kàn ẹ jẹ́ kí n kọ́kọ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn aráàlú lérèfé pé ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́ o ẹ kú àdúrótì ẹ kú bí ẹ ṣe fi ọwọ́ kẹwàá lẹ́yìn tí lágbára Ọlọ́run tí a rí tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì gubernatorial candidature ti All Progressive Party mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín mo wá fi àsìkò yìí sọ fún yín wípé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí a ti ṣe ètò ti abẹ́lé ti gómìnà tán ti ẹgbẹ́ ti fà mí kalẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ wa ti di ọ̀kan ṣoṣo àjọṣepọ̀ tó dán mọ́rán ló ń bẹ pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn tí a jọ ṣe ìdíje náà pátápátá tí a sì ti fi ọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé ìdìbò abẹ́lé tiwa òun ni ó ní àlàáfíà jù. It was the most peaceful primary election jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè.
àwọn tẹ́jọ́ fi gbàgbàgà.
gbogbo wọn pátápátá làjọ ṣe papọ̀ gbogbo wọn pátápátá ló lọ́wọ́ nu ìpolongo ìbò campaign tí a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí ẹgbẹ́ wa ti di ẹyọ kan and we are stronger than before. A dẹ̀ ti ṣetán láti gba ìjọba padà ní March 2, 2019. mo á fẹ́ sọ fún yín pé ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ ń ṣe oníṣẹ́ o bí ẹ ṣe fi ọwọ́ tì wá lẹ́yìn tí a dé ibi tá a dé yìí iṣẹ́ ò tí tẹ̀ ẹni tí ó bá ṣe iṣẹ́ dópin òun lágbàlá ìbò ó ń bọ̀ ní February àti March ọdún tó ń bọ̀ a fẹ́ kí tẹ̀síwájú nínú bí ẹ ṣe fọwọ́ tì wá lẹ́yìn ìgbọ̀ yẹn ló fún ẹ pátápátá èyí tá a ṣe lọ yìí ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ ló wà fún jù tó ráwọn náà kópa èyí tá a fẹ́ ṣe oní ti gbogbo aráàlú àsìkò tí wá tó tí a gbọ́dọ̀ máa sọ gbogbo nǹkan tí a máa ṣe fún aráàlú
ní ìpele
tó kàn yìí it has left the discussion of personalities now it's on discussion about issues about programs and about our plans to move Ọ̀yọ́ State to the next level láti gbé ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ dé ìpele tí ó kàn bí mo ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan ìpele tí a wà yìí tí a bá wo bí a ṣe ń gbé ilé ayé ní ilẹ̀ aláwọ̀ dúdú pàápàá ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí a bá fẹ́ fi wé ti tàwọn òyìnbó a ó rí wípé ìgbésí ayé wa kò jọ tèèyàn púpọ̀ ní abala oríṣiríṣi bí wọ́n ṣe ń gbé ilé ayé. Alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ààbò tí a sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan mi ní fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ lórí ìyẹn torí ìjọba tó wà níta lẹ́nu wọ́n ti ṣe gudugudu méje yẹ̀yà mẹ́fà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ààbò. Èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan
àlàáfíà ń jọba nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́
rẹpẹtẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan tó jẹ́ alága ìgbìmọ̀ olùkówójọ fún ètò ààbò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ Ọ̀yọ́ State Security Trust Fund orí oṣooṣù tá a ti ṣe ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá ni gómìnà tó fi lọ́lẹ̀ yàrá tí wọ́n ti máa wo gbogbo bó ṣe ń lọ káàkiri orígun mẹ́rẹ̀ẹ̀rin ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ tá a fi tẹlifíṣàn sí tó ń pè ní closed circuit television that's CCTV lórí ètò ààbò ó ti wá kọjá pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá títì àbí àgbébọn káàkiri ó ti di ó tá a máa fi technology
tá a máa fi kún
yes technology based security system òun ni àwọn òyìnbó ń lò tí ẹ bá rí ọlọ́pàá ìlú òyìnbó tó bá dá yín dúró láì mọ nǹkan kan pa yín yóò mọ sọ fún yín ilé tẹ̀ ń gbé iṣẹ́ tẹ̀ ń ṣe ibi tẹ̀ ti kó wá kẹ́ tó débi tẹ̀ ń gbé nìsí iye ọmọ tẹ̀ ní àtọ́jọ́ tán bí yín ẹ̀rọ pàjẹ́ kì í ṣàjẹ́ kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe olùpidán ṣùgbọ́n ṣe rí plate number yẹn wọ́n ní àwọn gadget kan nínú mọ́tò wọn ọlọ́pàá máa fi scan plate number yìí pẹ́rẹ́ gbogbo information nípa ẹni tó ní mọ́tò pátá ló máa gbé jáde fún mi.
ẹni tí ò wà ní mọ́tò nǹkan tí ò ní mọ́tò.
ẹni tí ò bá ní mọ́tò pátápátá tó bá ti fi ìtẹ̀tọ́ àti tẹ̀ka síbì kan péré àtọ́ bá scan ojú ẹ̀ wọ́n mọ ibi tó ti ṣẹ̀ wá ibi tó ti bí fámìlì tó ti wá àti ibi tó ń gbé àti iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe kò síbi tí ẹnì kankan lè sáwọ̀ ọ̀daràn kankan ò lè bọ́ mọ́ ìjọba lọ́wọ́ irú ìyẹn ni a fẹ́ gbé ètò ìjọba àwọn ará wa nípìnlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ dé ní ìsìn tó jẹ́ wípé
ìpele tó kàn
tó jẹ́ pé kò sẹ́ni tó lè dáràn tó lè sá mọ́ ìjọba lọ́wọ́ wọ́n wọ ẹ jáde alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé òkùnkùn kò lè bá mọ́lẹ̀ ṣe iṣẹ́ òkùnkùn kò lè bá mọ́lẹ̀ ṣe ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ a fẹ́ rí dájú wípé láti aago 7 àṣálẹ́ ní ìrọ̀lẹ́ tó fi di aago 5 sí aago 6 lọ́jọ́ kejì iná wá káàkiri gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ àwọn oníṣẹ́ òkùnkùn yóò fẹ́ràn iná rárá wọ́n bá ti rí wípé gbogbo ojú ló ń wo àwọn òní ṣe ibi tó dúdú kò lè mú wá kiri. So when it comes to security, it's going to be technology-based security. We'll provide our people with necessary gadgets that will aid their work, that will make their work more efficient and more effective. Nǹkan tí a fẹ́ ṣe nípa security nìyẹn. A dẹ̀ tún wò wípé ní agbára Ọlọ́run ètò bí ó ṣe jẹ́ pé a ti ní àwọn tẹlifíṣàn tó lè máa ya àwòrán ibi tó ti ń hùwà ọ̀daràn. A gbọ́dọ̀ ní ibi tó jẹ́ pé ẹ lè pè sí tí àwọn alámòjútó ètò ààbò tí wọ́n ti dá yín lóhùn ní wàràǹṣeṣà. It is called an emergency call center. Tí ẹ bá gbọ́ pé kankan ṣẹlẹ̀ ládùúgbò yín àbí ní junction bìkan a ti provide telephone number tí ẹ lè pè láì sanwó. It's going to be a toll-free number. Kẹ́ ẹ máa pè tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá láàrin ìṣẹ́jú 5 sí ìṣẹ́jú 10 wọ́n ó dé ibi tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan. Ìyàgbára Ọlọ́run àtàwọn ni pé security tá à ń ṣe yìí kò ní ṣe iṣẹ́ ìjọba nìkan. Àwọn tàjọ ń gbàdúgbò àwọn àfáà àwọn pásítọ̀ gbogbo aráàlú pátá ló yẹ kó lọ́wọ́ nínú security ètò ààbò torí àwọn ọ̀daràn yìí àárín wa ló ń gbé a mọ̀ wọ́n a mọ̀ fámìlì wọn ṣùgbọ́n ṣáà lè rìpọ́ọ̀tì wọn fún ìjọba a bá lè ta ìjọba lọ́gàn pàkọ́ pé ládùúgbò báyìí àwọn kan ń rìn káàkiri báyìí àbí àwọn kan ń gbé inú ilé yìí láti àárọ̀ tó fi dalẹ́ wọ́n yìí lọ́bì ọkọ̀ tí wọ́n máa mú ọtí kọ́ máa mú sìgá kọ́ máa mú gbó lọ àfúrásì wọn bí ó ṣe wà nílùú òyìnbó nìyẹn. Kódà tẹ́ bá ń pariwo jù tẹ́ fi ń dí alábàágbé yín lọ́wọ́ ládùúgbò kan nílùú òyìnbó kò ní sọ pé ọ̀rẹ́ ni yín kò ní sọ pé ẹbí ni yín tí ó fi pe ọlọ́pàá àwọn kan wà níbí o tí wọ́n ń dí àlàáfíà àdúgbò lọ́wọ́ ká tó sọ pé àwọn tó ń dáràn àwọn máa dọ̀wọ́ bù wọ́n mọ́lẹ̀. So we will make sure that there is a smooth relationship. There will be a public-private sector participation in the administration of security in Oyo State. Ìyẹn ni ó máa fi ọkàn wa balẹ̀. Torí ìlú tí ò bá sí ààbò ìdàgbàsókè kó jìnnà sí wọn. Mo máa ń sọ pé tí ẹ bá wo ibi tó ń pè ní Middle East lẹ́nu láàrin àwọn Lárúbáwá àti ibi tó ń pè ní Europe àti America láàrin àwọn òyìnbó tí ẹ bá wo tó lọ́n fi jíǹkì àwọn Lárúbáwá Middle East gẹ́gẹ́ bí epo rọ̀bì àti nǹkan tó lọ́n fi jíǹkì àwọn òyìnbó ní Europe àti America tí àwọn Lárúbáwá yẹn pọ̀ jù. Ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ bá wo level of development and the state of development of these two different continents ẹ máa rí pé àwọn òyìnbó wọ́n lọ sókè ju àwọn Lárúbáwá torí pé àwọn Lárúbáwá ní history of violence, history of crisis, history of war. Àlàáfíà ò tètè jọba níbẹ̀ lẹ́nu tí Egypt bá bá Palestine jà Iraq yóò bá Iran jà gbogbo ohun tó yẹ ká sì fi dàgbàsókè ni wọ́n ti dàgbà. So ètò ààbò ó ṣe kókó ìwọ̀nba ìdàgbàsókè tá a ti rí ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ yìí torí ètò ààbò tí gómìnà wa ti mú wọ ìlú ni àwọn tó fẹ́ dá iléeṣẹ́ sílẹ̀ wọ́n ó ṣe wá tọkàn wọn dẹ̀ balẹ̀ pé wọ́n ní ṣe àwọn ní ṣùtà táwọn bá dé ìlú wa a máa mú lọ́kùnkúndùn. Ẹlẹ́kejì ní ètò ọrọ̀ oúnjẹ yẹn a fẹ́ gbé dé next level ìpele tó kàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ agriculture oríṣiríṣi ni torí àsìkò ló sọ fún yín pé even our industrial transformation is going to be agro-allied based torí nǹkan kan tí mo rò pa ní ju ìpínlẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan kan lọ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ní ilẹ̀ ọlọ́ràá àti ojú ọjọ́ tó dára. That's a fertile land, good vegetation and one of the best climates in Nigeria. Tó yẹ pé ó gbà wá láyè láti ṣe ohun ètò ọ̀gbìn, ó gbà wá láyè láti sin ẹdìẹ, ó gbà wá láyè láti sin ewúrẹ́ àti màálù. Both arable farming, poultry and cattle ranching. Gbogbo ẹ̀ la lè ṣe nílùú wa, àwa nílẹ̀ tọ́lọ̀ ti kẹwàá. Mo ti sọ lórí ètò rí pé tí a bá ń wo bí ilẹ̀ wa ṣe tóbi tó kò lè yọ àfi máa sọ fún yín pé gbogbo ilẹ̀ Ìgbò márààrún pátápátá ìpínlẹ̀ Ìgbò márààrún gbogbo wọn lè wọnú ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́.
Ìpínlẹ̀ Ìgbò márààrún.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, Enugu àti Abia márààrún ilẹ̀ wọn ká papọ̀ ó kù díẹ̀ kó tó ilẹ̀ ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́. Ẹ lè rìnrìn àjò wákàtí 5 wákàtí 6 láàrin ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ìwáṣilẹ̀ lásán ilẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ẹ bá da omi ìfọwọ́ àti omi ata síta tá fi máa jẹ ọjọ́ kejì igi ata ó wù mbẹ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá mú ọsàn tẹ́ ẹ tún kóró ìdànù tá fi jẹ ọjọ́ kejì ọjọ́ kẹta igi ọsàn fẹ́ lè wù mbẹ̀ tọ́nà fi jẹ wá tó fi jíǹkì wá nìyẹn kí la wá ń wò jẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ yẹn a lè mú lọ́kùnkúndùn tó ń jẹ́ ó ṣe pọ̀ yanturu fún tara ilé tara oko fún ọmọ fólélé àti fàlejò tá a bá jẹ tá a bá yó tán a tún lè tà fún àwọn ìpínlẹ̀ yòókù a tún lè tà fún orílẹ̀-èdè yòókù lẹ́yìn yẹn adógbòrò máa kó pamọ́ tó bá tó adé lo ìbò lónìí àgbàdo tútù ẹ lè jẹ ní any time of the year gbàkúgbà tẹ́ ẹ bá dé lóyìnbó ẹ wá fi àgbàdo tútù jẹ ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n ń bì bí oṣù méjì ní oṣù mẹ́ta òní sí àgbàdo tútù kí ló jẹ́ a ní láti ní silos jẹ́ pé yóò dáa fún preservation káfí máa kó ohun ọ̀gbìn pamọ́ lọ́jọ́ tèmi ó dín ní 40% of farm produce èrè oko tí ó ń dégbòrò láti tà ìyókù ń bàjẹ́ sí inú oko ni fún nǹkan méjì ọ̀nà wa ò tí ì dá tán nígbèríko ọ̀gá ti try gidi lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó mú wọ inú oko á tún mú ọ̀nà wọ inú agboolé tí ẹ pé tẹ́ ẹ bá kó èrè oko ẹ lè kó dé ìdíkọ̀ láìsí wàhálà. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé a ní facility láti preserve silos tá a lè kó oúnjẹ sí.
Àwọn èrè oko yìí
ìyẹn tún wá ń dààmú àwọn àgbẹ̀ wa tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa fowó ṣiṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ tó bá tàwọn bàtàn lè tà tán tí òkú bàjẹ́ owó tó máa rí gan wọn ò ní lè jèrè tó bá compare pẹ̀lú iye tó fi dáko. A ní láti stabilize prices of food products.
ṣe rò pé yẹn á jẹ́ kí á jí àwa kó.
Lágbára Ọlọ́run tó jẹ́ pé a gbé láti establish tó ti ń jẹ́ commodity board gbogbo tí o bá gbìn tó bá kó lórí èkó ní inú oko rẹ̀ kíjọba kó gbà ká rà ká sanwó fún ọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbẹ̀ kó lè padà sóko láti lọ gbìn nǹkan míì káà wá kó pamọ́. Ìgbà tí ò bá sí kíkó èrè oko mọ́ ìta kó pamọ́ yẹn òun láàmọ̀ jẹ so that owó nǹkan ọ̀gbìn àti nǹkan oúnjẹ yóò lè jẹ́ nǹkan kan náà kárí ọdún. Láwọn oṣù kan wà tẹ́ pé èrè oko owó oúnjẹ yóò lọlẹ̀ àwọn kan láti pé yóò lọ sókè kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ kó rí bákan náà láti January tó fi dé December.
ká tó lè tà fáwọn ìpínlẹ̀ tó kù yóò kọ́kọ́ tó wá jẹ́ ń bí náà.
A lè bọ́ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà
lọ́nà wo
ní nǹkan tí a ní.
Ẹ ṣàlàyé ní ìṣẹ́jú kan ká bọ́ sí gbogbo mi.
Mo ti sọ fún yín pé bílẹ̀ wa ṣe tóbi tó tá a bá mú iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ lọ́kọ̀ọ́kọ́ náà wọ́n á ṣe àgbẹ̀ alárojẹ tó ń pè ní subsistence farming àgbẹ̀ aládàá ńlá jẹ́ pé tractor torí tẹ́ bá kó àgbẹ̀ 100 jọ ebè tán lè kọ láàrin wákàtí kan ó ní katakata tractor yóò kọ láàrin ìṣẹ́jú 10. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni irú àgbẹ̀ yẹn là ń sọ. Àgbẹ̀ tó yẹ pé irrigation will be mechanized bó ṣe ń fọn omi lu oko èyí ní kìí pẹ́ nìkan kan yóò gbé omi yóò wá máa wọ́ ẹ̀tì oko ibi ló fẹ́ rìn dé.
ṣé ìṣe pé wàá gbaṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn bàbá alára àwọn àgbẹ̀ yìí.
Kò sí ẹni tó máa gbaṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn àgbẹ̀ kódà ìgbà eré máa wà fáwọn àgbẹ̀ ni mo tó ń jẹ́ farm settlement ládàálẹ̀ yẹ pé kò sí tí àgbẹ̀ ń wá kú olóko tó ń wá sínú ìlú gbogbo nǹkan amáyédẹrùn tó wà nínú ìlú pátá ló yẹ ká gbé lọ sí oko àti náà farm settlement yìí rí nígbà kan ọ̀gá náà gas gómìnà wa náà ti ṣe díẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n láti rí àǹfààní àwọn farm settlement yìí àwa la máa gbé dé ìpele yẹn example ni irú ètò àfàṣọlá lọ́yọ̀ọ́ tó yẹ pé tó bá jí láàárọ̀ iṣẹ́ oko ni tí ó fi dalẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n kó wá sí nǹkan amáyédẹrùn tí ò ní sí níbẹ̀ ilé gbígbé ni o ètò ààbò ni o ètò ọ̀nà ni o iná ni o omi ni o hospital ni o iléèwé ni o ẹ dá alẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ kódà DSTV tá a máa ń wò nígboro àwọn náà ó ní ẹ tún wá dá iléeṣẹ́ tó ti lè máa ra ogun tí wọ́n nílò bí àwọn ṣọ́ọ̀bù ńláńlá ẹ tún dá alẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ kò sí tí wọ́n wá lọ tẹ́ bá dé lóyìnbó ní UK àìmọye ọmọ UK Britain tí ò dé London rí torí kò sí tó fẹ́ mú bẹ̀ lẹ́yìn kó dó sí Manchester kó wà ní Liverpool kó wà ní Newcastle kó wà ní Birmingham kó wà ní Lancaster
oníwọ Central London
kí ló fẹ́ wá ṣe ń bẹ̀ torí kò sí tó fẹ́ gbé ilé ayé ìgbé ayé gidi tí ò sí níbi tó wà irú ẹ̀ làwọn fẹ́ ṣe and there will be good road connectivity wọ́n fẹ́ sáré wá sí ìgboro kó padà láàrin ìṣẹ́jú ní ti kò ti débẹ̀ láti ètò
torí àsìkò ní òun fẹ́kẹ́
ètò agriculture nìyí a tó ń sọ pé ètò ilé gbígbé ṣe rí gbogbo a máa sọ pé tó máa parí Lagos Ìbàdàn expressway tó máa parí rail Lagos Ìbàdàn railway Ọ̀yọ́ state yóò benefit á ń láǹfààní kó lára Èkó àwọn èèyàn kò wá síbí àwọn èèyàn kò wá ẹnu la fi ń sọ tí èèyàn 100,000 bá wọ ìlú ìlónìí nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ we're in trouble ibo náà fẹ́ gbé ẹjọ́ akọlé náà fún mi estate mélòó ní Ọ̀yọ́ state yìí ló ní kọjá ilé àádọ́ta lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àni tó jẹ́ 1,004 estates the stretch of from Victoria Island to Lekki to Ajah hundreds of estates with multiple units olówó àmbẹ ṣé àwa sí agbára dì láti gba àlejò àwọn ará Èkó tó fẹ́ wá gbé Ìbàdàn lásìkò náà báyà ṣé àwọn ilé wa ní agboolé lóje níbẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ èèyàn náà fẹ́ máa gbé lórí ìta mẹ́rin lálẹ́kúsọ láyẹyẹ ní pópó ṣé ní àlejò kò wá láéláé àwọn ibẹ̀ yẹn gan àti sọ pé ìgbé táwọn èèyàn ń gbé ń bẹ̀ kò ń ṣe gbé ayé gidi àti bàbá àti ìyá àtọwọn bíi mẹ́rin mẹ́fà kọ́ máa sùn yàrá kan ibi tó ti ń sùn wọ́n ti ń yàgbẹ́ wọ́n ti ń tọ̀ ìgbé ayé èèyàn kan ìgbé ayé ẹranko ni gbogbo orúbẹ̀ yẹn ló yẹ ká wò káwọn bá ṣe fọ̀ mọ́ mo tán pè ní urban renewal tá máa resettle àwọn current habitants of those areas ẹni kó wọn lọ bòmí kẹ́ ẹ̀ tó àdúgbò yẹn ṣe pẹ̀lú ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ wọn oríṣiríṣi ẹ̀rọ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Èkó ẹ bá dé síta ní Sùúrùlérè lẹ́nu ìsàlẹ̀ Èkó náà ti kó wọn wá tẹ́fi tó bẹ̀ ṣe tẹ́ ẹ bá dé ìwo ló wà ní ọgbà yìí ọgbà tá a máa ń pè ní tó wà ní Central London Central Lagos nígbà kan wọ́n ti máa ń ta àwọn ẹ̀ṣọ́ Olúwọlé tó ní ọgbà ibà wà Olúwọlé ní Lagos Island náà ti kó wọn wọ́n dẹ̀ fi wọ́n sí ibẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ tún ibẹ̀ ṣe gbogbo orúkọ yẹ ká máa ṣe nìyẹn èyí tí ó fi máa gbé yàrá kan ìwọ ọkọ bàbá ìyá àtọmọ mẹ́rin tó gbé yàrá kan nínú agboolé nìbàdàn torí pé agboolé bí wọ́n bí wá sí rí náà alẹ́gbẹ́ ọlọ́mọ níyà kan kọ́ ilé gidi
the low cost housing àbí
kó gbé yàrá mẹ́ta àti pálọ̀ kan àti kálọ̀ fẹ́ máa dé gbòòrò ìbàdàn ní láàrin 10 minutes ọ̀nà ti dá ó dé gbòòrò ìbàdàn ó sì padà sílé.
àwọn ilé tí ó.
So we're going to build decent houses. We're going to embark on mega housing projects.
Mega housing projects.
Yes, across all the local governments in Oyo State. We may not have the kind of land that we're looking at within Ibadan metropolis, but we can go to Ibadan, Greater Ibadan, in all the 6 satellite local governments in Ibadan. Akínyẹlé, Olúyọ̀lé, Ẹgbẹ́dá, Lágelú, Ọ̀nà Àrà, Àtìdó. Ilẹ̀ pọ̀ ń bẹ rẹpẹtẹ. A máa lọ sí Ọ̀yọ́, ilẹ̀ pọ̀ l'Àtìbà, ilẹ̀ pọ̀ l'Áfíjíó, ilẹ̀ pọ̀ l'Ọ́yọ́ East, ilẹ̀ pọ̀ l'Ọ́yọ́ West. Ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ rè náà a lè lọ sí ibẹ̀, ilẹ̀ pọ̀ káàkiri Sùúrùlérè, Lógo Olúwa, ó wà lórí eré Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ náà, Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ àti ilẹ̀ pọ̀ ń bẹ. Mo kàn náà ní Ìbàràpá. Ohun tó jà jù ni pé ṣé ọ̀nà wà láti máa dé ìgboro tó bá fẹ́ dé ìgboro. Nǹkan kan náà láṣẹ lókè Ògùn, ní Ìṣẹ́yìn, Ìtẹ̀síwájú, Kájọlà, Ìwájọwà. Yes, náà láṣẹ ní Ṣakí àti Ìgbò, Ìrẹ́pọ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ìfẹ́ lódò irú tá à ń ṣe ní Ìbàdàn kọ̀ọ̀kan láti gbé lọ sí àwọn àgbègbè yẹn lágbára Ọlọ́run tó jẹ́ pé ẹ lè fọ́sọ́ wà pé ìgbé tí mò ń gbé ìgbé ọmọ nìyẹn òní mò ń gbé tó jẹ́ pé kí dẹ́ ṣe pé ẹ kò wọlé lẹ́ẹ̀kan lẹ́ẹ̀fẹ̀rẹ̀ alẹ́ yìí tó dẹ́ni mọ̀ wò pé tówó sí òsì ń ta no don't pè ní mortgage wà láàrin 20-25 years lẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ sanwó yẹn kéékèèké and there are technology for cheap construction quality construction nílùú òyìnbó tá ọmọ ọdún méjìdínlógún olùjọba gan ti fún ẹ nílé.
wọ́n ṣe irú ní tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ yìí nígbà Jákàndé nípínlẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwọn tá à ń sọ nìyẹn.
ní 1983 àbí nǹkan.
tẹ́ bá dé Ìpàjà ẹ̀rí Jákàndé estate. tẹ́ bá dé Àjà ẹ̀rí Jákàndé estate. tẹ́ bá dé Sọ̀lọ̀ ẹ̀rí Jákàndé estate. tẹ́ bá dé ọ̀nà kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ Ìkòròdú ẹ̀rí Jákàndé estate. nítorúkọ àwọn bàbá yìí ò fi parẹ́ lónìí nìyẹn. nǹkan mẹ́ta tí mo sọ yẹn ètò ààbò ètò oúnjẹ àti ètò ilé. Those are the first level of human basic needs under the Maslow theory of needs. Ṣé wàá kí mẹ́ta yẹn? Ṣé wàá rí ìyókù táwọn tó wá fi tábà fún ní ìdàgbàsókè ó ní ètò ẹ̀kọ́ àti ìlera. Kódà ó ṣe kókó fẹ́yìn. Ètò ẹ̀kọ́ ó ṣe kókó torí tí education is the bane, is the foundation for development. Yes. An educated populace, a civilized populace is easier to govern than an uncivilized populace. Ẹni tó bá ní ètò ẹ̀kọ́ tó yè kooro tó yanrantí lójú àwọn kan tó lè ṣe. Primary and post-primary education, which is primary and secondary, ọ̀fẹ́ ló yẹ kó jẹ́. Kò ṣe fáǹfààní aráàlú nìkan, fáǹfààní ìjọba. Ẹni tó bá lè kà tó bá lè kọ yóò lè understand responsibility ẹ sí society.
so tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ ni pé
yóò lè understand functions government yóò lè ka traffic rules kò ní lè tọ̀ sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì kò ní lè dá ilẹ̀ sínú gọ́tà. ẹ máa rí pé àwọn tó ń ṣe nǹkan báyìí jù àwọn wúrùntù ní illiterate. So láti jẹ́ kí education kò jẹ́ ọ̀fẹ́ kì í ṣe fún aráàlú nìkan fún ìjọba gan yóò mú ètò ìjọba rọ̀ ìjọba lọ́rùn torí ẹni tó bá lè kà tó lè kọ ó mọ iṣẹ́ tíjọba yẹ kó ṣe ó mọ iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kó ń ṣe ó lè ka ètò ìrìnnà traffic rules tó bá lọ mọ̀ pé tó bá ti rí sí back crossing ó yẹ kó dúró ni tí náà bá bá tàn ó yẹ kó dúró tí green bá tàn aláwọ̀ ewé ó yẹ kó lọ ṣùgbọ́n kúròtù ò lè mọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ bá kàwé ó jẹ́ school certificate kan lẹ́ hold ẹ ní yọ nǹkan ọmọkùnrin yín kẹ́ mọ̀ ọ̀tọ̀ sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì lójú ọ̀nà ojú ó tì í díẹ̀.
ṣé tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ ni pé tẹ́ bá di gómìnà
lágbára náà
ẹ jẹ́ kí ètò ẹ̀kọ́ kó jẹ́ ọ̀fẹ́ ní ìpele primary àti secondary school.
lágbára Ọlọ́run ìpele alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti secondary ọ̀fẹ́ tó yẹ kó jẹ́ must be free or at worst widely affordable for anybody. ṣé rí ogun tí a bá fowó ṣe gbàgbé ẹ̀yìn àrò ló máa ń sùn tó bá ṣe jẹ́ token wọ́n ṣe ń san 1,000 àbí nǹkan ní ìsìn ṣẹ́gẹ́ tí mo sọ ṣùgbọ́n tọ́lọ́ bá fún wa láǹfààní lágbára Ọlọ́run bí fọ́ sọ̀yà ọ̀fẹ́ ló yẹ kí ètò ẹ̀kọ́ alákọ̀ọ́bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti secondary ló yẹ kó jẹ́.
a lọ àpàdà wa tàbá ti gbọ́ ìpolówó kan sí. back here we've been having interesting input from the APC Guber candidate Bayo Adelabu, and of course he has been leading us into his blueprints, talking about he had talked about education, security, agriculture, food security, and housing. Yes.
Now we're looking at the next on our critical sectors list, which is
Yes, before we go there, you can join our online audience by watching the program as we live stream on Splash FM 105.5 and the Yemission Day Facebook pages. You can also get live updates from our social media handles, namely YS Live on Facebook, YS Live on Twitter, and some on our Facebook pages, some on some other social media handles, and of course some were text messages. I hope I'll be able to exhaust all these questions. Of course, our audience too will still have the opportunity of asking their questions directly. Of course, there are some questions we had before Shifadiba go to the next level or the next phase of the next level blueprint of the Bayo Adelaide.
Thank you very much. I will just run through this because of time.
Yeah.
Like you mentioned that there are a lot of questions that been asked here, which we try as much as possible to attend to before landing up. The next critical sector is health, which I believe is very key. They say health is wealth. We're going to focus our efforts on taking the healthcare system health state to the next level. The current administration has done a lot in improving healthcare system in our states. But I believe that it needs to be taken to an appreciable level. Our first focus would be on the primary healthcare system, which I believe is more preventive than curative. When we were growing up, what we were used to was not going to most of these tertiary institutions for little ailments, sickness. And 90% of health cases are very trivial health issues that require just take tablets, take an injection, or the dress your wound for you. We all grew up to know what is called dispensaries and maternity centers. Almost every local government at that time had 1 or 2 dispensaries, had maternity centers. So that from your house to the next health institution is no more than 1 at most 2 kilometers. It wasn't all cases that you take to the UCH, you take to Adeoyo unit, or you take to Adeoyo unit, or you take to Rio Catholic Hospital.
So you want to bring
or
back,
you take it to St. Mary's Hospital at a later. You want to bring back the primary healthcare system. Every local government must build and operate what we call a dispensary system, must operate in maternity centers. And at the same time, for healthy living, there must be what we call a recreation arena, like parks that you have in foreign countries. You can go in and do some sports, aerobics, table tennis, football, to live a healthy life. You understand? There's a way it improves the health status of our people. Then now coming to secondary and tertiary institutions, we are the most blessed when it comes to because health care system started from here in Oyo State, in Ibadan. The first teaching hospital is in Ibadan, University College Hospital. And in terms of physical infrastructure, it is next to none in Nigeria. And when you look at the efficacy of an health institution, there are just 3 things. Number 1 is the physical infrastructure, which is the accommodation for the patients, for the health personnel, and to house the health equipment. The next thing is health equipment. You understand? Modern health equipment. And the third is the health personnel, the doctors, the nurses, the radiographers, and all health workers. All these 3 can be fixed. The structures are there, they can be easily resuscitated, they can be renovated. The health equipment, fortunately, is available off the shelf. 90% of it. You go to Europe, you go to the US, you go to the Middle East, you can buy all these equipment. Bring them. Then about the health personnel, we have the people who have to be retrained in modern health administration. You can get those 3 already. I believe we should be prepared to offer the best of health service to our citizens. We have usage. We have State Hospital Adeoyo at Iletu, that's Abelagudu. We have another State Hospital at Ring Road, Adeoyo Ring Road. We have Olio Catholic Hospital at Okeadu. We have the St. Mary's Catholic Hospital at Eleta, close to Ibadan City Academy. We have the Jericho Nursing Home in Ibadan. We have the Oyo General Hospital. We have the teaching hospital at Ogbomoso. We have in Shaki. With all these institutions, I think government is in a position to resuscitate and rejuvenate these institutions to make them working again. That's one thing about health, which I believe we need to do. We need to do very, very fast. Then, talking about preventive health, I believe that this government should continue with the primary school feeding. It is very, very important.
Primary school feeding program.
If possible, extend it to secondary school. Even if possible, extend it to adults who cannot afford to eat. Because once you eat very well, you eat healthy, your body is not prone to ailments. Majority of the sicknesses that we have here are caused by poverty, malnutrition, inability of our people to afford quality meals. Because if we implemented those programs in agriculture, food will be surplus, food will be cheap. Government, as part of social benefits, can have food bank for those that cannot afford to eat. You understand?
All right.
This is not indulging our people, but it reduces the pressure on government. Then after health, next is environment. I believe that we need to have a green environment. We need to manage our waste properly. Refuse management, in terms of flood control, we need to do a lot about this. And lastly, the transportation and transport management system. We will consolidate on the level already achieved by this current government. I've told you about the quality of roads that the government has done, has constructed. We will build on that and we extend this road to the inner areas in each of our major cities, which is Ibadan, Oyo, Ogbomoso, Shaki, and Iseyin. And again, we'll take these roads to the farms to ensure that farm produce are easily transportable to the market centers. And lastly, Mr. Shunde, this is very important. Nothing stops us from introducing the narrow gauge rail from Moniya, where the standard gauge rail will terminate, to the stretch of cable that will get to Iseyin, Ilero, Agbo-Are, Agbo-Amoju, Okeo, Shaki, Igboho, Kishi, to move because it is cheaper and faster. Instead of moving farm produce by road, this is expensive, and the quantity they can move at a time is also limited. When we have a light, narrow gauge rail, we can bring in investors that will do this. It could be on BOT, on build, operate, and transfer. That's what we're intending to do. Even the stretch of Ibadan, from the toll gate, down to Ojo, we can have a light rail within Ibadan. It will reduce the case of accident on our place. All these micro that just parks anyhow, that drive anyhow, can't eliminate them. We now have rail stations. If you take off from the toll gate, you have a station at Soka. You have a station at Olomi Academy that goes straight to Lumde, Olujore, and Olode. Another one at Muslim that go to Mosfala. You understand? You have another stop or station at Olonshogo that go to Amuloko and Okakoran. Then you have the next one at Oremeji that goes straight into Ogbere.
Are you saying the taxi drivers will lose their jobs?
They will not. They will now pick up passengers that drop from the train and take them to the inner areas. Then you have another one at Sawmill that goes straight to Adigba and Halakia. Another one at Iwo Road. You can now go, take another one at Basharon. I'll take you straight to Akobo. Then you go to Ojo. Why can't we have that stretch of rail? So we are looking at that as a mega project too. Like I tell you, security is good. Food is necessary. Housing is essential. Education is compulsory. Health is necessary. You understand? Those 5 things will be a major focus.
Why don't you, Larry, ask these questions that what's your blueprint for tourism development of the state?
Yes.
And let me add to it quickly. What's your plan for the youth?
Yeah, thank you very much. Beyond our major focus, which I just mentioned, those 5 sectors: security, agriculture, housing, health, education. Then we had environment, then road and transport. I have 4 special areas, which I see them as social stimulants They bring us together.
Okay.
They bond us together. Number one is tourism. And whatever I say here, I'm speaking as an authority. You know, I operate in this industry in my private life. I'm a major hotel investor in Nigeria, even in Oyo State. I'm a major health real estate investor in Oyo State. So I know what I'm talking about. And I've witnessed, even in revenues of my companies, the surge that we're already experiencing from the little this government has achieved. Now, from Thursday, you don't get hotel rooms in Ibadan again. The same thing is happening in other parts of Oyo State. And I believe this can only get better. So the only thing that attracts tourists to environment, number one, is safety. They feel secure, lives and property. You understand? There are areas they believe that you have good roads, you have good health institutions, if anything happens to them, you have shopping centers, you have areas of recreation, and you have nightlife. So I plan to boost tourism with all this. And this is the center of arts and culture, even in the Western region. So almost all the artists, they are here. And there are very interesting places to visit in Ibadan and Oyo State in general. What is necessary is to bring them to a level that will be appreciated by the tourists.
And your plans for the youth? Our time is fast spent.
Yep. So art is the next thing I told you about. The plans for the youth, number one is sports. Sports is something that actually bonds us together as citizens. And I believe that the majority of our youth are interested in sports. Shooting Stars and the Ogbomoso team.
Yeah, the crown.
Yes. Crown Stars of
of
Ogbomoso. We're going to focus on them and make them to be darling teams of our people. Because they have history of support. We're going to make sure that everybody invests in these teams. And everybody is a supporter of this team. We're going to be buying season tickets. But what matters most is to look at our stadium and make sure we do things that will make spectators come to the stadium. Because the stadium is a commerce center. Beyond football, you sell food, you sell drinks, music, and all that. We need to bring our people together and we fund them properly. It's going to be public-private sector participation. Everybody's going to be an investor in Shooting Stars. When you invest in Shooting Stars, your emotion is there, your passion is there, and your support is there. When they sell their season ticket, they're going to scramble to get it. We'll bring the Shooting Stars back to that level. Then the next one for the youth has to do with entertainment. Already, nightlife is back in Ibadan. And we're going to extend this to other parts of our state. From Wednesdays, Thursdays, people move around easily. They sit down peacefully at lounges, at clubs, eat, drink. I want to see in Oyo State where there will be shops and malls operating 24 hours. So that jobs can also be created.
That's your dream.
That's my dream. And it's going to be a peaceful atmosphere for everybody.
Now, let me quickly ask these two questions before I go to the other questions. Let me quickly ask these two questions. Okay, it's about two and a half now. Let me take it one after the other. But I want a very quick response. Talking about security, there's this security levy. Some people are complaining about it. Security levy for churches, for mosques. In fact, one of the candidates of one of the parties, I think precisely, Senator Lanley, says if he becomes the governor, he will abolish security levy. What's your take?
I'm a very blunt, straightforward, and sincere person. I will not, for the sake of canvassing your votes, say things that will not make me deliver my electoral promises. Let me tell you, you can say anything as an outsider. When you are an insider, you have more information. And you're better informed on the positions to take on certain sensitive issues. Let me tell you, and these are information you can easily verify. In the last 7.5 years, since the current administration came into power, we all agreed they have brought good security to our state. Have they levied anybody? This government never levied anybody any special levy to provide the security. But when you take something to a particular stage and you believe that because our resources are not unlimited, and there are various areas that still require government attention. So you can never give enough to each of these sectors, as critical as they are. And you need support of the public. And you believe that the only way you can get their support is to charge them a token. You have your own building where you run your business, and you have enjoyed security. You have been burgled in the last 7.5 years, and the government came to you, ask you to pay 25,000 naira in 1 year to support the activities of government. I believe I've shown you what I'm capable of doing. I expect cooperation from you to encourage me, to incentivize me. 25 naira a year is 2,000 naira per month. Oh, for God's sake.
Breaking it down.
Breaking it down. And it's less than 100 naira a day. To protect, to strengthen security on your life and your property. Come on, how would anybody say that's important? And I can tell you
2,000 naira per month.
Yes, I am the chairman of Security Trust Fund, and I approved this because I know that it doesn't constitute anybody to any responsible citizen or organization in your state who appreciates the achievement of the so far, as far as of the government so far, as far as security is concerned. It's a token, and I can tell you nobody has complained. Nobody has complained. Even we charge mosques, we charge churches. 25,000 naira is not up to 1/10 of what people pay in mosques and churches in a week, just to protect lives and property. We know what the situation was before this government, and government did this free of charge, without collecting a dime from anybody for 7.5 years. It's so easy for Governor Ajimobi to say, no, my admission remains 5 months or 6, don't charge anybody. But because the charges are genuine, it's not going to his pocket, it's to strengthen the activities of government. He said, go ahead and let's do these charges. That's a sincere government. To say, plus we have to even reduce our dependency on Abuja. Don't get anything until you go cap in hand to Abuja begging for money. No, we must be self-funded as a state. And I believe Oyo State is a viable state. We have over 7 million people. Why should we not be able to pay a token to secure our lives and properties? I think it's we get blunt.
So you're saying maybe Lanley is saying that because he's not well informed.
I will not cast aspersion on anybody, but I believe it's not very realistic.
Okay, now, what makes you different from other candidates? We have about how many candidates now? More than 5? About 5 or 6 or
we have
10, over 15 candidates.
We have a lot of candidates.
What makes you different? Why do you think you should be the next governor of this state?
Mr. Shonde, as much as I don't like blowing my trumpet, but at a time like this, if you don't blow your trumpet, nobody's ready to blow it for you. Let me tell you, I'm not just different, I'm distinct from every other candidate.
Prove that to me.
Number one, nobody prays for a fraction of anything. You want the whole thing. I'm a combination of the strength of all other candidates put together.
Abba,
I'm telling you.
Say that again. That's huge.
I'm a combination of all other candidates put together.
A combination
of the strength
of
all
other candidates
put together in one candidate.
Eba tún sọ Yorùbá kó lè yé mi dáadáa.
Ṣẹ́rí, ó tèmi ṣe yàtọ̀ sí àwọn tó kù. Ó ní wípé èmi tó jẹ́ ẹnìkan yìí, ó dàbí pé ká yọ ohun tó dáa nínú kọ̀ọ̀kan àwọn olùdíje tó kù ká kó sínú ẹnìkan. So, you buy one, you get all.
Ẹ ṣàlàyé fún mi kó yé mi dáadáa.
Ẹ tó bá dìbò fún àwa, ohun tí ẹ bá rí tó bá dáadáa ní kó sẹ́ tó fẹ́ dìbò tí ò ní kankan tó dáa. Ṣùgbọ́n tí ò dáa, ó lè pọ̀jù tó dáa lọ́nà ẹlòmíì. Mo wá ní pé tẹ bá mú gbogbo candidate olùdíje kọ̀ọ̀kan tó kù, ẹ fa nǹkan tó dáa jáde nínú wọn, kí wọ́n á kó papọ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà nínú tèmi.
Ẹ ṣàlàyé bí mẹ́ta fún mi bẹ́ẹ̀.
Number one ni pé when you are looking for a youthful candidate with zeal, agility and energy, you find it in me. When you're looking for an educated and intellectually sound among these candidates, no other person has a first class to start with.
First class?
Yes, not just from any university, from Obafemi University, in accounting for that matter.
No other candidate?
No other candidate.
That's the first class?
Among all those contested. Yes.
I'm going to go to
educationally, nobody compares to me. And in terms of experience and exposure, in terms of work experience, my work experience traversed both the corporate, private, public sector, including private entrepreneurship. So I've done it before. I've felt it before. I know what it takes to do it. I know the challenges. I know ways to go around to surmount these challenges. I'm telling you, who among them has the nobility of birth, the kind of parentage and family legacy I can boast of? None of them, I can tell you. Bring them to take, let's talk.
You come for that debate.
Nobility of birth and parentage and family legacy. Then, who among them has even achieved the peak of their chosen career? The career they have chosen to do before chasing government positions. Have they reached the peak? Have they proved the mettle in the industry they find themselves? Beyond establishing a one-man business and say, I'm an MG. Who has risen from the rank, through the ranks, from being an audit assistant to an audit manager, audit senior manager, to a financial controller of a bank, to chief financial officer of a bank, not just a bank, not just a bank in Nigeria, to be deputy governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, from consulting as a consultant for the generality of companies and financial management, to operating as a banker and to regulating. Who has traversed this thing?
Consulting, operating, and regulating.
And I'm telling you that, tell me any other candidate that has the most credible electoral promise based on the antecedents. What stake do they have in Oyo State? What business have they established in Oyo State? What contribution have they made to employ people in Oyo State?
How many have you employed now so far?
I have over 650 people in my
650
in the last 10 to 12 years.
employees.
Have never owed a single month salary. So who among them can actually tell me that you have been part of government without being in government? Who has helped the government without being in government? I mean, when you look at all these attributes, it's either they have one or they don't have others. Either they have two, don't have others. Put everything together and you find it available.
Why did you say you sacrifice anything?
Why we can get a whole? Why do we go for a part? And who has sacrificed the most to show the sincerity of his intention and genuineness of his plan for your state? I'll drop my job, fine. Nobody forced me. It's my own volition. But it's to display that if you believe in something,
you dropped your job for this.
I don't mind sacrificing anything for you. I dropped my job. So I'm saying if you can get a whole, why take? That's number one. Number two,
take a fraction?
Why take a fraction? Number two reason, sorry, I know time is going, is the fact that I'm the only candidate that people will vote for 5 different reasons.
One, quickly.
APC. The party has performed in Nigeria in the last 4 years. 3.5 years compared to what PDP achieved in 16 years. Two, Buhari, man of integrity, who trust him, who believe him, and see what he has achieved in 3.5 years of his administration. 3, Ajimobi.
You think so?
Koseneri governor. He has done so much more
than
any other. Those are the people that we believe don't have genuine interest in the development of our state.
Okay.
Where are they today? Tell me. We are better off as a party than they have left. A lot of them are begging to come back. I must tell you. And very soon you see them decamping.
Begging to come back?
Yes.
4.
To APC.
Now, number 4.
Like LMS, the man has left a legacy that you cannot match. He lived a good life. Let's all pray that we have good parentage. We have a good name that you can sell. A lot of people in Ibadan who can die from LMS because of what the man did when he was there. He was the man of the masses. He was the father of grassroots politicians and grassroots politics.
And 5.
Number 5 is myself, Bayo Adelabu. Based on my personal profile.
Bayo Adelabu.
And what I'm able to contribute to development of Oyo State.
Badmus Adedayo from Okeogun says, we from Okeogun have been badly marginalized in all aspects of government activities. What are you going to do to this? What's your plan for local government? Will you allow local government autonomy? Maybe you answer that in one in one response. I don't know. Now, Operation Boss should continue. Government should not rely on federal allocation. Oyo State tax is low. creation of new company from Peter Daramola from our Facebook page. Financial capacity of the state, what is it? They're asking you. Free education, relationship with foreign investor, next level relation, and the reduction of Ibadan Poly fee. Yes, somebody called and say Ibadan Poly students are paying about over 100,000 per year. That is too high. Before you came into the program, somebody called to say that. Will you reduce that? I want to ask our incoming Governor Adebayo Adelabu about our ongoing road construction from Idiakwe to Akobo. How long will it take? Okay, that's Maruf. Olajide Abiodun, my question to you is that how will you tackle the insecurity within our state, especially those local communities like Idiarere, Ojaba, Bonfoto, etc.? Bufano Zainab, population of GSS1 students in Methodist Grammar School in Bodija is too much for the classroom. They have 5 classrooms, and all of these small classrooms occupy over 80 students, and some even over 90 students. Teachers do not have access to impact all these students in the classroom. They have explosion of students. The classroom is so small, and that Methodist Grammar School in Bodija. Yes, I think I'll put these other questions to you so that you can attend to them during your planning for going forward to the next level. So let's quickly have that response. Then I have 1 or 2 calls from.
Told you before that one administration cannot finish every work required for development. But when we have continuity, when we have consistency, and when we have persistence in the execution of quality programs, projects, and plans, as soon as possible, we're going to address all these issues. So meetings are not very fundamental. They are things that we can address within a couple of months of my coming to office as governor.
One will pull it on someone over 100,000.
You know, it's not something I can actually conclude on air. That it's because I know that things are tough, but if you get to our private institutions, they pay multiples of that. But because it's a public school, I think it should be made affordable. We are going to look at it and see what we can do. And if it is just a couple of students that cannot afford, we also have scholarship for indigent students.
Okay, let's have 1 or 2 calls. Good morning.
But before I go on, sorry, I want to mention my deputy. A lot of people have been asking who my deputy is.
Yes.
My deputy is Mr. Samuel Egunjobi, who is the current local government chairman of Iwajowa local government in Okeogun.
Okay.
That is to ensure very good representation for our people in Okeogun.
So that answers the question.
A young man like me, he is quite agile, energetic, and intellectually sound.
What's the name of your deputy again?
Samuel Egunjobi.
Samuel Egunjobi.
Current chairman of Iwajowa local government.
I want your deputy to come on this program before we have about 6 weeks or thereabout. I want to ask some questions from you. Good morning, Ekaro. Yes, sir. Papa, àsìkò ti lọ.
Sọ fún incoming governor yìí pé kẹ́ńjọ nínú ẹgbẹ́ tí ojú ọ̀nà ọ̀nà àmà láti àkàrà dé ẹrẹ tí ọ̀gá ti tọ́jú àwọn òṣèlú tó lè tí wọ́n ti sábà tó ń pè mọ́ mẹ́nu àmú kẹ̀kẹ́ ṣe lókè tí ẹ̀rù ìjọba fẹ́ tẹ̀lé gbogbo ẹni wọ́n ṣe lórí rẹ̀.
Ọ̀ya àtìkò ti lọ. Ọ̀ya ẹ sáré dáhùn lóhùn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Very soon, Oma commission project here. Very, very soon. I know it's one of the projects that Oga wants to commission before he leaves. And by the grace of God, inshallah, I'm going to complete it for you. I promise.
Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọ̀ya ẹ jẹ́ ká mẹ́yẹ kan sí. Wọ́n ní ká mẹ́yẹ kan sí. Torí àwọn rẹ̀ gbé.
Ẹrù bodò. Ẹni tí ó
ẹ̀dọ́wọ́dọ̀ ní
ẹnu ń kọ.
So, you will be available for the debate.
You can just pick it.
Okay, now, anytime béèrè nígbà tí kò tó wọlé wípé ẹ fẹ́ kàn wá fún debate, wọ́n ti sọ pé ní sè pé àwọn wà fún debate o. Ìtí splash ìfẹ́ organize splash pé àwọn wà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni a sì ti gbọ́ yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fún yín láàyè láti fún wa ní party shot yín. Àsìkò ti lọ ní ohun wa ká máa tún fẹ́ lọ.
Ṣé ní agbára Ọlọ́run máa tún padà wá. Tí a bá ní wákàtí mẹ́wàá kò tó sọ ohun tí a ní gẹ́gẹ́ bí plan fún Ọ̀yọ́ state. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ tún jáde ní ọjọ́ tá a wá fẹ́ dìbò láti lọ yan Adébáyọ̀ Abdulwaheed Adelabu ní gómìnà yín come March 2, 2019. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́.
come March 2 2019 ojú òní ti wà lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣé púpọ̀ Ṣẹ́gun Ṣìgó gbogbo àwa tó kù tá